Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You already have your headset and game open. Start now by routing audio to the same output in Windows. Next, set in-game master, SFX, and voice to neutral so EQ changes are isolated. Open your EQ in headset software or an external plugin and select a flat preset as the baseline. This avoids baked-in boosts. Once done, you'll hear the true baseline, which makes the next adjustments meaningful. Make sure volume is at a comfortable level to protect hearing while you tweak. Now you shape frequencies to emphasize important in-game cues. First, isolate footsteps and weapon twang, boost around 2 to 4 kHz by a small amount, about +2 to +4 dB, so enemy movement stands out. Then tame room or weapon muddiness by cutting 200 to 400 Hz by a few decibels. This clears the mid-range. For impact and awareness, add a small low-frequency lift around 80 to 120 Hz, so explosions and distant gunfire carry without overwhelming dialogue or footsteps. Listen, then iterate. Finish by a /B testing. Flip between flat and your EQ settings, and validate that footsteps and positional cues are clearer. Save profiles for different game modes or maps so you can switch quickly. Tweak overall gain to avoid clipping. If you lose clarity or imaging, make smaller adjustments and check for phase cancellation. Sometimes boosting both low and high extremes causes overlap that smears sound. If things go wrong, reduce gain and revert the last change. Then reintroduce adjustments incrementally to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.